Hi, I'm Alex from John and Ginger, and in this video you are going to learn how to use our new Glow on the Go set to achieve super clean and healthy and hydrated skin. As you know, it includes the Dermalogica PreCleanse, special cleansing gel and skin smoothing cream, which is great because now you're going to have 3 of Dermalogica's best-selling products. So that will give you a more healthier and glowing skin when you use them every day. So let's get started. Okay, so take your pre-cleanse and you want to have dry hands and dry skin, and then just apply a small amount into the palm of your hand. And it's a nice lightweight oil, and you just want to gently massage it over your skin, over the neck, just to remove any makeup, any waterproof formulas. Take it over the lips and over your eyes. Remove all that mascara and eye makeup as well. Massage it in and work over areas where you get a bit of congestion, where you may get a bit of a oily build-up as well. This is the first step of the Dermalogica Double Cleanse, and this is what we always carry out with all our skin treatments in the John and Ginger salon as well. Helps to prepare your skin for the benefits as well of your cleanser, as well as really removing all that surface debris, all the pollutants, any sunscreen, waterproof makeup formulas that build up on the skin throughout the day. So add some water and work it into a nice, light, milky emulsion. That's it, not forgetting your neck. And then simply rinse with water. You can use a face cloth, and you can also use facial sponges to remove thoroughly. Because it's so lightweight, it doesn't leave any greasy residue on the skin either, and is also great even if your skin is oily. Just continue to remove, just like that. There we go. Okay, next in the double cleanse step is your special cleansing gel. Again, into wet hands, apply about the size of a pea, and then you want to lather up, adding some extra water as well. Really create a nice lather before you apply to your skin. And then once again, work over your skin in light massaging movements, concentrating on areas where you may suffer with some congestion. Over the T-zone, it's a really common place where you can produce extra oil on the skin or have open pores. That's it. And once again, you can just remove with warm water, a face cloth or sponges. Double cleansing technique will really ensure that your skin stays clean and free from any build-up of product. So you start getting your skin healthy and glowing. Special cleansing gel is also soap-free, so it won't strip or dry your skin. It's got balm, mint and lavender extract in there as well, so it helps to purify and also soothe. It's suitable for all skin types. There we go. And then dry off with a face towel. And then to complete your routine, get your skin smoothing cream. This is Dermalogica's best-selling moisturiser, offering 48 hours of continuous hydration. You need, again, about that amount pea-sized amount, and apply in light strokes over the face. It leaves your skin more hydrated, supple and more comfortable, helping to prevent and improve those fine lines of dehydration. And there you have it. So our Glow on the Glow set has been made exclusively for John and Ginger by Dermalogica. So if you want to discover more pro tips on how to get your healthier skin at home, then click to subscribe or leave a lovely comment below. Thank you for watching.